Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to check your holds, how to use Orange Success, and how to access Degreeworks. The first thing you want to do is log onto your MySlice portal. On the bottom left, you'll see a hold section. Any hold you may have will be listed here. Now, to access Orange Success and schedule a meeting, go to the advising section and click on Orange Success. You will now be able to access your Success network and will see a list of any connections you may have. To schedule a meeting, click on the person you'd like to schedule a meeting with. Now, you'll be able to see that person's contact information. Go ahead and click Schedule Appointment. Next, it will ask what type of help you need. Go ahead and click on the option that best reflects your request. It'll then show you a calendar and a list of available time slots. You can go ahead and scroll through and choose which slot works best for you and your schedule. Once you have selected a time slot, press Continue. It will now ask you if everything looks correct. Here you'll see the details of your selected meeting, and if everything looks okay, press Confirm. On the next window, a notification will pop up alerting you that your appointment has been confirmed, and you'll shortly receive an email confirming your appointment. Now, if you go ahead and return to your main services page, on the left-hand side, you'll see an icon with 3 lines. If you click on it, it will show you a list of different links you can click on to help you navigate your portal, such as your dashboard, your messages, or let's say you want to ask for help in a class. You can simply click on the Raise Your Hand tool. Now, to access Degreeworks, go ahead and return to your MySlice portal, and under the advising section, click on Degreeworks. It will now redirect you to your Degreeworks portal. Here, you will be able to see all your major requirements to complete your degree. If you scroll down, it will list the different courses you will need to complete your major. When you have completed a course, it will show a green checked box with your grade and the semester taken. If you're in the process of taking that course, it will show you a blue box. And if you haven't taken a course, it will show you an empty red box. If you keep scrolling, it will show you your ECS GPA, as well as any courses not allocated, those in progress, and any that are not counted. You will also be provided a legend. Now, if you return to the top left-hand corner, you will see in faint blue letters different options you can click on to adjust your Degreeworks. For example, if you're considering switching majors, click on the What If tab. It will allow you to select a different major or minor, and it will show you the different course requirements you would need for that major. In this What If request, I've selected Mechanical Engineering. Now I can scroll through and look at the courses required, including those that I've already taken and the ones I've yet to take. The other tabs will show you your history, including your What If requests. Now, if you go ahead and click on the Look Ahead tab, you can enter any course you'd like to take and process that What If for it to be shown on your Degreeworks. All of these What If requests are not permanent, but you can always look back at your history to view them again.